our two Cherry Blossom blush palettes. One of them is more peachy and one of them is more pinky. Obviously pink tones are such a huge piece of Glinda's puzzle. We also wanted to incorporate the cherry blossoms because they kind of have a huge significance in the second film. Our living quarters are filled with cherry blossoms, and I think that they're such a beautiful flower to represent her growth because, you know, in the first movie she goes from here to here, but in the second movie she goes from here to here. So it's very exciting, and I think that the cherry blossom is such a beautiful symbol of that growth. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Proud of her. So this is the pinker palette. The shades are Lovelier, Glimmer in the Sky, and Perfectly Pink. And in the second palette, the colors are You're Blushing, Sunset in Oz, and Cherry Blossom. Oz, like blossom, but Oz, blossom. These are incredible. I use these on my cheeks. I also put them here. I also use them as eyeshadow. I use them all over my face. The beautiful thing is both of these palettes show up beautifully on all skin tones, and I love the middle colors on both of them because I'm obsessed with melanges at the moment, and I just love how each one is unique and none of them look the same, which I think is so poetic and beautiful. That's why we do this beauty stuff to begin with, to enhance our unique beauty.